Hello everyone, this video is to show you how to use the eWishHub app. After opening the app, the login screen is shown up. It is optional to sign up. If you don't want to sign up, you can click the lower icon to use the app. Assuming you already sign up. So you enter an email and password to log in. Then you click the login icon. After that, the app shows your wish lists from different online retailers. In each product, there are the product's picture, its title, baby wipes, Pampers. Its seller Amazon, its current price $14.94, the alert price $16, and the expiration day of its alert, 2021 October 30. If the price is in red, the current price is lower than the alert price. Let's look at this laptop. You click on it to see more information, such as the full title, current price, alert price, seller, price history. If you would like to buy it, you click Buy Now icon. Your phone will open the website of this product, and your default browser, like Chrome in this case. From there, you can buy this product in a similar way as your computer. If you want to remove a desired product, you can swipe it to the left. Then select Yes. Now, you would like to add a product to this wish list, you click the alarm icon at the bottom right. Then, the app will open an integrated web browser. On the top, you can select different online retailers. So far, the app supports 4 retailers, but in future, we will quickly add much more online retailers, such as Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, Nike, Newegg. Let's select Amazon.com. Assuming you would like to buy a Sony TV, so you search the TV in the same way on Amazon website, typing Sony 85-inch TV. Scrolling some results. Selecting the TV you like. Its current price is $2,198. In order to create an alert, I click the alarm icon at the bottom right of the screen, then enter the alert price, which is $2,000. After that, selecting the expiration day. And finally, click OK to save this product to my wish list. Initially, there is not much information about the recent added products. However, after a few hours, you can see all details. The final topic is how do you receive the sale alert? When any products from your wish list have lower price than the alert prices, your phone has received a notification like this. If you scroll down, you see more information about this sale alert, such as the name of the product, the sale price, and picture. When clicking the notification, the eWishHub app opens the detail screen of that product. Clicking Buy Now icon at the bottom right to open the website of this product in your default mobile web browser, and then you can buy the product from there. I hope you like this demonstration about how to use eWishHub. If you want this app for free, please sign up the form in the video description.